please open your mouth and talk. Please.
My leg is aching. I've been on my feet for the past 4 days now, and it's actually, I thought it's like a joke, like okay, let me try. But the push from Nigerian Branchik, Mr. Idris, Mr. Tori for a reason. He was there from day one. He has always been giving us words of encouragement, and for me to be here, still standing, wow, after 30 bags, I think I deserve Santorini Nabi. Thank you so much, man.
All right, please, the last person, but not the least, is Zara Donuts. Zara Donuts, please come through. Thank you.
Good afternoon to the SSG. Echo, Eshe. I said Echo Mumbo. Echo Montideo. You people came out. You bought. You referred. I am the Zara of Kano. I came all the way from the northwest to the southwest with 14 people. And we did well. Lagos showed me so much love. I want to say thank you to Lagos State and thank you to my husband. He's the backbone. And thank you to the Lagos State Governor. Thank you, Lagos, and see you again. Thank you, Mr. Idris, and thank you, Nali. Thank you so much.
All right, ladies and gentlemen, I want to say thank you to all the vendors. And at this time, I'd like to hand over the mic to the woman of honor herself. And of course, I'm talking about the SSG. We are indeed grateful. We cannot overemphasize how grateful we are to you. So I'd like to hand over to you, Ma. Thank you.
Good afternoon, everybody. This is Lagos. We don't say welcome to Lagos. We say this is Lagos. Please say it. This is Lagos. I mean, I'm overwhelmed myself and I don't even know what to say. I feel so happy because I've seen quite a lot of young people, particularly women, whose businesses have been turned around. I'm so happy for you. It's very emotional for me when I listen to some. That's why I don't want to make a long speech so that I don't show too much emotions. But what I want to say is, I just pray we can have many more governors like Babajide Olusola Sanwo-Olu that would always make his policies about the people, that would always intentionally go out to make people happy. And that's why he will put the right peg in the right holes. I'm so proud of my brother, the special advisor on tourism. Look at what has happened today. The whole of Lagos has moved here, despite the fact that it is Salah Day. This is wonderful. Thank you for making the executive proud. Thank you for making Lagos State proud. And to my governor and the deputy, we say thank you very much. To all of you beautiful people who are taking out your time to come in here and join with us here, we're so grateful. Lagos says, Eshe Pupo. Thank you. We're very, very grateful. Sulani, thank you. To all of you on this side, I say thank you very much. Thank you, everybody. My sister also came all the way from Kaduna. She's here. I thank you, Susami Eshema. Thank you.
All right, thank you very much, Ma. Your Excellency. We want to say thank you for all the support, for in fact staying this long. We cannot overemphasize how grateful we are to you. Now, one of our vendors has said that she wants to gift you something. And I'm made to understand that she came in from the United Kingdom as well. Yes, and as you can see, she's pregnant and she's been stressing. And she said that she wants to do this for you, Ma. Thank you so much, Ma. We appreciate you. On behalf of Nelly, of Niger Branching, and of course, our own, very own Oga, that's Lagos Tourism, Mr. Idris, we are indeed grateful to you. Thank you so much. Thank you so much, Lagos Government, for this.